Good morning everyone. Welcome back to another class of graphic designing. In this class, I'm going to show you how to use these tools right here. We're going to learn them one by one. Alright, so let's jump right into my computer and show you how to use them. Right, before we get started, please, if you not yet subscribe to my channel, make sure you subscribe, you like, and you share. Okay, let's start by double clicking right here, or simply take the rectangle and then drag it like this. Fill it with let's say a blue color. Alright, so we're starting with the first one, which is the polygon. Those who did not watch class number 3, I insist go watch that video before joining us over here, because I explained a little bit about this guy right here, the polygon tool. But in this video, I want to explain it a little bit, further than the one I did in the previous video. So let's say you have a perfect polygon like this. Only one polygon like this. Remember what I said in the previous video. It can give you so many shapes that you need. Let's say, for instance, right now we have 5 points. It display over here. We can go down to 4. You can see the shape has changed. Let me color it so that you see what I'm working on. If you go to 3, and it gives you this nice looking triangle, and I think the last number right here is the 3. So let's say you go further, let's say 11, it gives you this nice looking balloon shape. All right, so you can even duplicate it by dragging it like this. Right click and you change the color of it. This is the polygon, how it works. Let's say we give it an outline of you can double click right here. We change the outline of it, let's say red, and the outline or the stroke, let's say 24. You see around here the stroke or the outline is added. If you don't want to do it over there, let's work on this one. You can simply just stand right here, and then you come above here. You can add the outline over here. You increase it with 24 points, and you can change the color of it right here by double clicking and just pick any color you want. You can even come here, select the color you want, or right here choose the color that suits you the best and click OK. We use Polygon when it comes for logo designing and all that. It's really amazing tool, trust me. So let's move on to another one, which is a star. So let's have a nice star like this, and we fill it with a yellow with the outline of 8 points. And this star tool is really interesting because you can change the shape of it by simply increasing it over here. Let's say we give it let's say 30, and you see we have this kind of shape. Let's reduce the outline to let's say non-outline. This is the shape that you're going to get. This helps you, let's say, when you're working on let's say flyer or a sale banner or something. This helps you maybe to create something quickly and add, let's say, a text, let's say $50, something like that. Let's say you select it and you change the color of it. You can even change the font and you put it right here. remember the shortcut key of grouping is Ctrl+G. Right now it has been grouped together, and you can move it everywhere you want. To ungroup, you can just simply come right here and you click ungroup, or you press Ctrl U and it has been ungrouped. All right, let's do one more. Let's grab the star, and then this guy right here, let's increase it to, let's say, something like this, and you see this guy right here is called sharpness. This is what it does. Let me fill it with red color. This is what it does. If you go down to, let's say, 2, this is what you're gonna get, this looking shape right here. But if you go, let's say 50, it's gonna give you this looking shape right here. You can add the stroke 16 and change the color of it by pressing here, double clicking here, and this box will pop up, and then you just fill it with a different color. So next is spiral. This is what spiral does. Let's say we have, hold on, right now as we select spiral, we can see it's giving me 4 point over here, and when I drag it here, you see the line of it is kind of 4, 1 2 3 4, right? Let me show you what I mean. Let's put it right here and let's select it back, and you see right here, let's increase it to 8 points and drag it, and you see this lines is going to add, when you count it, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 point. This is what it does. You can even come right here to this place and then just drag it this way. Here it will not give you the possibility to increase it. That's how it works. Let's say we have a shape like this. Let's give it maybe 3 points, and we drag it like this, and we come right here, this guy right here, we choose one arrow. Let's say is facing this side, and this is facing that side. It's very small for now. Let me increase the stroke or the outline. I keep saying stroke because, understand me guys, I use Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator a lot, so I'm really used to it. That is why I keep saying stroke, right? Anyway, I hope you get the picture. All right, so let's move on to another one, which is common shapes. This is really nice. It's one of my favorite because within this common shape only, you can get so many shapes. Let's say right now we have a heart. Why we have a heart? Let me delete it. I'll show you why we got the heart. So this is why, after selecting it, you come right here, you expand this arrow, and you see a bunch of shapes over here. We have basic shapes. If you use Microsoft Word, you see all these shapes is within Microsoft Word. So let's say we need this shape right here. You simply just press Ctrl on your keyboard, and then you drag it like this, and you're gonna see this red button here. This red button helps you change the look of it by dragging it like this. Right now we have this looking shape, or you can bring it down like this and you will have this beautiful looking square. And let's say we need let's say a plus. Let's reduce this, select the common shape, and then right now we are on this plus. You drag it like this and it gives you a plus right there. You can increase the stroke. Let's go to another one. Let's say we need this is really good when you're working on, let's say, a flyer, banner or something. You need to put the title or maybe a price or anything. You can use this guy right here. So this is what the common shapes does. So the next one is impact tool. So this is what the impact tool does. Let's say you hold the control on your keyboard and you drag it like this, and you're gonna get this looking shape right here. Let me move it in the center like this. Let me give it a yellow color, and here you can change the line style of it. Let's say we need this sharp or this one. It's changing, as you can see. Unless I zoom, let me zoom it for you, something like that. You can change it with any color you want. Let me give it white so that you see clearly. I don't know, I don't really use this guy because the tools that I'm showing you, the most common one that I'm showing you that are very important is the one that I need you to be using when it comes for real project. But anyway, this one too, when it comes for logo, you can use it. I don't know your logo inspiration, if you need this guy, this tool, I mean, to use it with your logo, is gonna be also great. So we're moving on with the last one in this box right here. It's graph paper. So this graph paper, this is what it does. Right now, as has been selected, if you check above here, you see we have the column and rows. The column and rows, and here is the column. We have 10 column, and the rows is 10. Let's say we need the column of 4 and the column of 6 and the rows of 4. So when we drag it like this, this is what we're gonna get. Let me put it in the middle so you see what we are working on. Sorry. All right, something like that. Let me zoom it. You can even change the color of it like this, or you can fill it with this guy right here, the smart fill. You can choose any color you want. You can fill it like this. And you can be changing the color like this. Now let's give it the dark blue, and this is orange. Let's say this is white. Let's give them more colors. Yellow. Let's give it this guy, and boom. This is what this guy does. Let's say this is dark black, and so and so. You can even put the text within it. Let's say here we have number 1. Let's increase it, put it in the middle right here, and drag it over here. You can even change to 2, 3, 4, 5, sorry, 6. Right, you can even go further than that. Let's say we give it white color, and this is what you're gonna get. Let's ungroup them by pressing Ctrl+G on your keyboard, and it has become one like this. You can use this guy when it comes for creating maybe tables and all that. It's really great. All right, so I think that's the end of this video. It was about common use tools in Coreldraw. I hope you enjoyed the class, and please, if you not yet subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe, like and share the video, so that next time when I do upload a new video, you will not miss that video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next class. Have a good day.